Welcome to Technology Tuesday, brought to you by the Attain Computer Lab at the Capital District EOC. In today's Technology Tuesday, we'll discuss viewing your windows by splitting your screen. As a reminder, we aren't talking about the windows in your home and not the operating system that runs your computer, but rather the frames on the screen that display the software program you're working with. Let's start with splitting a screen in half. You will grab the title bar area of your window, the top 1/4 of an inch, where you can drag your window around, and drag it toward the left or right until your arrow touches the left edge of the screen. But you want to aim for the center area of your monitor, and when your arrow touches the edge of the screen, you'll get a shadow. And when that shadow appears, you'll release your mouse, and that will split your screen in half. And the other half of the screen will show you the other software programs you have open. You can click on whichever one you want to fill the other half of the screen. So you can see I have Word on the left and Excel on the right. A very similar but slightly different technique. So instead of heading straight to the edge to split our screen in half, drag to the corner. You can see I'm heading to the bottom left corner, and that gives me a 1/4 of my screen. And this works in the bottom or top corner, so if I head up to the top left, I get a top 1/4 of the screen. And this could be used in an interesting way. So if I'll put my Word frame here on the left, my Word window here on the left, and I'll fill the right side with Excel. And now I'll take Excel and drag that to the bottom into the 1/4, and then I'll fill the top 1/4 here with PowerPoint. So you can see I now have my screens with 3 windows open. Half of my monitor is filled with Word, and the 2/4 on the right are Excel and PowerPoint. And this can be useful when using 3 different software programs like you see here, or maybe I could have 3 Word documents open that I'm comparing and reviewing as I'm doing research or something. Experiment and see which layouts work best for you with the project you're working on. When you're working with multiple windows like this, it can be hard to distinguish which one is the active window. The easiest way to do this is to look in the taskbar at the bottom of your monitor. That's the black bar at the bottom of the screen. And you'll notice that the active window has a slight highlight around the icon for the software that you're using. In this case, we can see that PowerPoint is the active window. Rather than dragging the windows into place, these same split screens can be achieved through keyboard shortcuts. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, see how the active window moves when you hold the window key and press the different arrow keys on your keyboard. Thanks for watching this episode of Technology Tuesday. Stay tuned for future episodes, where we'll continue to share more technology and computing quick tips. Want to know more about Attain? Call the lab at 518-273-1900 or visit our website. Happy computing!